Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of January. Sorry this is super late. I've been sick, so I've not been filming. I am going to preface this by saying my cat sucks, and he destroyed this bag. I've had it sitting out for a couple days because I was going to film it, and then I got sick, and he kind of ate it, so that's cool. I really liked this bag. Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription service, at least this one is. There are other ones that you can buy up to, but we're gonna go ahead and dive into this. I am gonna kind of rush through this a little bit, because I have to be back to work in like 10 minutes. So this is the Sella Seed to Skin Scrub. So it's like an exfoliant, I would say. Are you cruelty free? Let me check that before I open this and waste it. It is, okay. Yeah, it's an exfoliant. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. We'll squeeze out a little bit, but I don't wanna be like super wasteful. Yeah, okay. Ooh, it smells like pink lemonade. I'm not mad at that. Okay. I'll use it. I'm not like super stoked, but I'm not upset either. Is there prices on here? There is, yay, finally. Okay, this is a deluxe size sample. The full size retails for $34. Next, ooh, Ciate. I love Ciate. Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Exciting. I don't have a lot of blushes. What shade are you? Pinch Me. It's in the shade Pinch Me. I don't have a lot of blushes, so I'm always excited to get more of those. And I really like Ciate. I feel like they're very underrated. This retails for, well, the full size is $26, so. Oh, it's so cute. It looks like a little like peppermint swirl, but not. Ooh, pink. Ignore that, my cat attacked me. That's pretty, it's got a nice sheen to it. Oh, you will definitely get some use out of that. Exciting. Next is by Urban, I don't know, Juve. Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. This is Love Our Lip Balm. Doesn't have any other information. Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with hemp oil, nourishes and protects. It is cruelty free, so that's awesome. I do love lip balms. I'm wearing one right now. That's all I've got on my lips right now. So let's go ahead and put some more on, because why not? It does have like a little seal on both sides. I just kind of ripped one side off without showing you. I've never heard of this brand, but they do say cruelty free. I don't love the packaging already because taking that little seal off kind of ripped that part off. Ooh, smells very herbally. Very soft though. I like that. I'm gonna assume this is full size. $10, so not terrible. Next product is by Brooke USA. It's in the shade Dead Lip Balm. I got two lip balms, you guys. This is Beauty for Real, not Brooke USA. Beauty for Real is cruelty free. I do like some of their stuff, but I'm annoyed that I got two lip balms. Like, I don't know if that's me being like dramatic or not, but ooh, smells really good. At least this one's colored, I guess. So it's got like a nice light pink to it. Let's just, why not? Yeah, okay. Just a nice little flush of pink. $14. I'm not mad at that, but I am annoyed that I got two lip balms. And the last thing in here I knew I was getting, because I did pick this. This is by Morphe. It's the Fluidity Concealer in the shade C 1.25. I just chose the lightest shade. Ooh, that's light. It did not look that light on line. Yeah, that's gonna be very brightening though, so I'm down for that. I don't have a lot of concealers. I feel like face products, like complexion products, are what I lack in, so yeah, okay. And what does that retail for? 15, I think? 9. What? Okay. Morphe is cheap, not in a bad way. Okay, quick little recap before I go back to work. We got not one, but two lip balms. I'm excited for both of them individually. I'm annoyed that I got them both together because I don't know, 2 lip balms in one subscription seems unfair. The concealer I'm obviously excited about because I did choose it. What else do we get? The facial scrub. I'm not like, oh yay, I got a facial scrub, but like I'll use it, so that's okay. And the blush I'm excited about. I really like Ciate, so that's everything in my cat eaten bag. I'm so upset about that because I actually really like this bag. Normally I just kind of pass these on to people, but that one I was excited for. So that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.